Okay guys, welcome back. Today I've been working on a little coil winding jig. Those of you who have seen some of my earlier videos, I've been working with this radiant oscillator over here. I've also got this little Bedini, my third attempt at a Bedini, which should be up and running soon. So the whole purpose of this today is build a jig that can wind me some coils. Obviously playing around with all this sort of stuff, there's a lot to explore with different types of coils and whatnot in extracting some radiant energy from the vacuum. So this thing's going to come in bloody handy. Okay, so I've got this little kit that I bought from JK Electronics here in Australia, which helps you build a 3-digit counter. So it's just going to count the amount of times this thing turns, the amount of revolutions. So I can tell how many turns I put onto this coil, which will come in handy. I'll just give you a quick demo. See here, I've got a little magnet, passes over a reed switch that's over here, runs into my vent counter, and I'll turn it on here, just by turning this. Increase. I'll turn it on. Alright, now I'm going to go back and show you exactly how I built this. Okay, so here's the finished product. I've just modified it and hacked it up a little bit by adding this reed switch across this little input here. So I'll just show you how it works. Press the count button to turn it on, and hit the input button, and we can add a value to it. Likewise with the reed switch, as it passes over a magnet, we're going to use this simple circuit to count the number of times the coil is wound, so we can count the number of turns when we make the winding. The reason I wanted to build this is a method of being able to calculate how many turns I wind when I make my Bedini or Tesla coils. So I've just got a little neo magnet sitting here on the spindle, and as we pass it, obviously it's counting. So the next step is to see if it works accurately at high speeds as we spin this round, spin the spindle round, and fix the reed switch at a point, so it just measures the amount of turns. Reset switch here. Okay, so here's the finished product. Once again, I've just got my little drill that I've just taped onto here. It's just a little Dremel. You can use any type of drill. You can even wind it by hand. Once again, got my vent counter, my little reed switch that's hooked over here. This is the magnet that's just taped on there. Obviously, as it passes the reed switch, it's going to count. So I'll just show you another demo of that. Change the speed. Okay, so there's my little simple event counter and coil winding jig. As I said, going to use it to make some bifilar and trifilar coils to make my little new Bedini. Also, I want to play around with some Tesla coil type configurations with this radiant oscillator, so it's a good little jig to have. Here's my wire. So next video you see, I'll show you how to wind some trifilar coils. Alright, if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to some upcoming videos. I'm a radiant oscillator, the Bedini, and an updated version of this.